Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into a common problem that Arch users face when setting up Secure Boot. The issue revolves around the process of creating your own keys and signing every kernel update, which although seemingly straightforward, raises concerns about the actual level of security it provides to your system. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The reason why Arch maintainers don't sign their kernels and bootloaders is simply because they lack the necessary infrastructure to store and access a signing key. Unlike other distributions, Arch packages are built manually by developers on their own machines or on ordinary build servers, leading to packages being signed with the developer's own PGP key. This manual process of package signing may not align well with the automatic certificate revocation required for Secure Boot signing. The main takeaway here is that without a central build infrastructure and secure key storage, Arch developers currently face challenges in implementing full Secure Boot signing similar to other distributions. This creates a situation where users are responsible for managing their own keys, posing potential security risks. Therefore, the existing setup of Arch's package signing process may not directly translate to a Secure Boot signing model that ensures optimal security. In summary, the intricacies of Secure Boot implementation in Arch Linux highlight the need for a more robust infrastructure to facilitate secure key storage and automatic certificate revocation. As Arch developers continue to work on enhancing their build processes, users should be aware of the limitations in the current system and take necessary precautions to safeguard their systems. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and feedback.